大家好 Welcome back to Nightwind Chinese. This is Mia. In today's episode, let's learn words about different periods of the day. First, I want to show you, this is like 6:45 p.m. You see the street lights are up, but still the sky is bright. So yeah, days are getting longer as summer is approaching in China. Okay, so let's get started and learn some words. Okay, let's start from morning. So first word, morning, early morning, we say 早上. 早上. 早 is an adjective. It means early. 早上 together means morning. So it's from like sunrise time to about 9-10 a.m., that kind of period. Okay, next word will be 上午. 上午. 上午 also means morning, but it refers to a larger period than 早上. So it's like from sunrise to before noon. So 11:30 a.m. we can say it's 上午, but it's probably not 早上. It's too late for early morning, right? So 上午, morning. After 上午, we have 中午. 中午. 中午 means noon. It's not like a point, like 12. It's like a period. So approximately from 11 to 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. This lunchtime, we call it 中午. 中 means middle. So it's like the middle of the day. 中午. After 中午, we have 下午. 下午, afternoon. So from 1 or 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.-ish, the period of time. After 下午, it'll be 晚上. 晚上, evening. So like right now, 现在 right now 是晚上. 现在是晚上. Alright, did you memorize these words? And then let's add a character. 好, good. Then we have a group of greeting words immediately. Good morning. 早上好. Good afternoon. 中午好. Good evening. 晚上好. Simple as that. Alright, thanks for watching today's episode. Let's enjoy the last minutes of this beautiful blue before the really dark night arrives. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.